Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different DIYs that you can do with Dollar Tree items. So the first thing I'm going to make is just using this Dollar Tree tree and the fake snow. I got that from Walmart for only $1.89, so I thought that was such a steal. So I'm just going to unfold this little tree, and yes, it looks like a little Charlie Brown Christmas tree, but I think that once you add the snow, it kind of makes it, or like makes me think that it looks just a little bit more full. And then once the snow is dry on these trees, which mind you, or like let me let you know, I've never used this stuff before, but it comes off like crazy. So I don't know if maybe you want to spray it with something. I don't know, but I got these little buckets. They have like the little twine around the tops. I got those from the Dollar Tree as well. And then just a little foam, like the floral foam. And then I just put some bags under there just to make the trees a little bit higher. And I think these turned out so cute. So for only $6, you can have 2 of these cute little flocked trees in your home. And then just to cover everything, I did add some Spanish moss. And then the next thing I'm going to be making is a little frame with a reindeer on it. And I'm just going to remove the frame and then just paint it. I did use the Waverly Chalk paint in this cashew color. I ran out of my normal ivory color, so I was pretty disappointed and pretty sad, but this turned out just as good. And I actually had to only do 1 coat of this. I thought I was going to do maybe 2 or 3, but for some reason I love the way that this kind of looked distressed on its own, so I was super happy with just having to do 1 coat. And then now I'm just going to take the glass that came in the frame and some of this wrapping paper. I got this at Walmart last year. So buy your wrapping paper after Christmas because it is way cheaper than even like spending it at the dollar store. I think this came with like 90 yards and I think I paid like $1.50 for it. So I thought that was awesome. And then I'm just going to put this into the frame. And then I did end up cutting around everything, but I didn't show that because I thought that you guys would know how to do that anyways. And then I'm just taking this like wreath or this like garland. I got this from the Dollar Spot at Target, and I think I did see people get this again for Christmas time. I got this around the fall time, but I just cut a little bit and then I'm just going to hot glue this right to the center of the frame. And then now I'm just going to take this little reindeer or this little deer. I guess it's not even a reindeer. Why do I call it a reindeer? I'm going to take this little deer ornament and I'm just going to hot glue this right to the center of the wreath. And that is all I'm doing. I think this is so cute. And I bought so much stuff, like so much Christmas decor after Christmas a few years ago. And a lot of my stuff is very, very rustic. And I think this will look so good with all my Christmas decor. The last thing I'm going to make is just a wreath. I'm using this like thick, I don't even know what you want to call this. I got that wreath from the Dollar Tree as well, and then I did spray paint it gold. I just had some gold spray paint, and then the little deer in the middle, I picked that up at Michael's, I think after fall or after Christmas last year or the year before, so I only paid probably under $1 or $2 for it. And then I just got these little pine cone and berry little picks or those little like stems. I got those at the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just going to wrap those and then tie them around with craft wire. And then I'm just going to glue the deer right to the center. And I think this one looks so cute. But that is it for my video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.